An AI model is like a robot brain. It's a computer program that has been trained to do something, like recognize faces or translate languages. AI models are made up of a lot of math and code, but they can be explained in simple terms. Imagine you have a big book of pictures of different animals. You can look at the pictures and learn to recognize different animals. That's what an AI model does. It looks at a lot of data, like pictures, text, or numbers, and learns to recognize patterns. Once it knows the patterns, it can use them to do things like classify things, make predictions, alter or generate new content. For example, an AI model that has been trained to recognize faces can look at a new picture of a face and say who it is. Or, an AI model that has been trained to translate languages can look at a sentence in one language and say what it means in another language. AI models are used in all sorts of different things, like self-driving cars, chatbots, and spam filters. They're still under development, but they're getting better all the time. Here's an analogy that might help you understand AI models better. Imagine you have a big box of Legos. You can build all sorts of different things with Legos, like houses, cars, and robots. AI models are like the instructions that come with the Legos. They tell you how to put the Legos together to make something. The more data an AI model is trained on, the more instructions it has. That means it can build more complex things. And the better the instructions are, the better the AI model will be at doing its job. I hope this explanation helps. Hope that gives you a better understanding of AI models. They're pretty amazing, right? If you have any more questions or want to learn more about AI, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us on this exciting AI journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.